Hello guys, today we are going to disclose some information and facts about the Squid Game cast. Squid Game became an international hit. It's even projected to be the most watched series of all time on Netflix. The story is extremely intriguing and has fans at the edge of their seats at every second. The series features amazing performances from the whole cast. Here is everything you need to know about the cast of Squid Game. Lee Jung-jae as Sang-han. Jim Ji is 48 years old. His birthday is on December 15, 1972. He was born in Seoul, South Korea. Fans can tell from his amazing performance in Squid Game, and he is a very talented actor because he is not only starred in the award-winning movie, he has won Best Actor award for his work in City of the Rising Sun. But he is not just an actor, he is also a successful fashion model in the past. He was in a 3-year relationship with actress Too Many until 2006. Right now he is dating businesswoman and heiress Lim Siri-ang, the cup of vinegar either since 2015. Jang Ho-yeon as Seo-hyuk. Seo-hyuk is 27 years old. Her birthday is on June 23, 1994. She was born in Seoul, South Korea. Squid Game is not only her big breakout role, it's also her first ever acting role, which is surprising considering her performance was incredible. She actually started her career and is most known for being a model. She started modeling at 16 and from there, she's been highly successful, placing second in Korea's Next Top Model and modeling at Seoul Fashion Week. And for big magazines like Vogue, she's been in a long-term relationship with actor lead Wrongly since 2016. Park Hae-soo as Cho Sang-woo. Cho Sang-woo is 39 years old. His birthday is on November 21, 1981. He was born in Suwon, South Korea. Before Squid Game, he has been an established actor, starring in a good amount of Korean shows, movies, and even musical theatre productions. He has also won Best Actor at Seoul Awards for his lead role in Prison Playbook. He married his girlfriend in January 2019 at a ceremony in Seoul. The couple then had their first kid together, a son born in September 21. Wee Ha-joon as Swang Jo-ho. Swang Jo-ho is 30 years old. His birthday is on August 5, 1991. He was born in Won-do country, South Jeolla, South Korea. Squid Game is not the only series he is in. He starts an acting again romance in a bonus book and Something in the Rain. Apart from that, he is also a model. Currently, it looks like he is single and busy with his career. Kim Jo-ryung as Han Min-yo. Han Min-yo is 45 years old. Her birthday is on September 10, 1976. She was born in South Korea. She has made appearances in other shows and movies, but Squid Game is her biggest role. Today, she tends to keep her personal life private, but we do know that she is married and she has a son from Instagram. We can tell that she has a super close friendship with all of her co-stars from Squid Game. She shares a bunch of behind-the-scenes photos with them. Hyo Jung-tae as Jung Dek-so. Dek-so is 44 years old. His birthday is on October 20, 1976. He was born in Busan, South Korea. He made a name for himself after starring the award-winning movie The Age of Shadows, and from there he continued to star in more shows and movies, and he's even got nominations for Best Actor awards. He talks about his wife a lot during interviews, but we don't know much better about her. Anupam Tripathi as Abdul Ali. Anupam Tripathi is 32 years old. His birthday is on November 2, 1988. He was born in New Delhi, India, and later moved to South Korea in 2010 to study at the Korean National University of Arts, and he is now finishing off his masters in acting. He made minor appearances in 8th, 9th, and Space Sweepers, but he got his big break from Squid Games. He continues to share behind the scenes photos and videos on his Instagram. He doesn't post much about his personal life. Tough, so we don't know if he is in a relationship or not. Oh Hyung-soo as Oh Il-nam. Hyung-soo is 76 years old. His birthday is on October 19, 1994. He started his theatre career back in 1967 and he has appeared in over 200 theatre productions. Since then, he starred in the movie Is a Little Monk and Spring Summer Winter Fall and Squid Game as one of his biggest roles. In the end, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and comment your favorite character from Squid Game. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.